Hello friends, welcome back to another episode of The Jackson Show. Today we're going to be starting something kind of special. This week we're getting some new baby chicks, huh buddy?
Yeah.
We're getting about 32 new baby chicks. If you've seen some of our previous videos, you've seen where our chickens are, but we've moved since then. So we have a new setup. So today we're going to kind of go and check out our setup for our new chickens and see where our new baby chicks are going to go. If you like this video, please make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure you don't miss any of our future videos in this series where we're going to see our new baby chicks. All right, let's head into the new coop and see our new baby chicks setup. Here we go.
I was chasing a wasp.
Whoa, got the door for me? Oh, there was a wasp. Jackson was chasing a wasp away. Okay, here we go.
In here?
Yeah, so here's our setup for our new baby chicks. Let's head in, follow Jackson in. We have this dog kennel in here that we're using to keep the baby chicks away from the bigger chick. Here's our setup. We've used some just old pieces of wood that we had lying around to make these boxes for our baby chicks. This might be a little bit more than you really need to do. You could just use some pieces of cardboard or wood and kind of just make a circle around, but we've made these boxes because at our last house we did have trouble with rats. Rats ate a couple of our baby chicks, so we had to make this. So the rats can't get in here, so we feel like our chicks are going to be safe. There's 3 different sections here that the lid lifts up and we can get in there how we need to. To start off,
Well, they could come through the hole. Could.
the rats.
Yeah.
Yeah, well the rats could get in the holes, but then they can't get through these little tiny holes, can they?
But maybe they should get in there.
Yeah, possibly. You're right, buddy. We'll have to see. At our last house, it did keep them away, but we'll have to see. All right, so in here we do have a divider set up, so you can kind of see how right now we're only going to be using 2 of the sections. We're not going to be using all 3 of them. We just stuck another piece of plywood between there, and 2 of them are going to be used, and the 3rd one's going to be sectioned off for a little bit. In there we do have, let's take a look inside here. We go like this, take this piece of wood, and I stick it back there, and then watch. Now it keeps it open for us, right?
Yeah.
That's pretty nice.
Could you hold it up?
I'm gonna lift it up. You go back down there and stick it in there.
I'll just use this one.
Okay. Perfect. And that holds it up for us, so that's nice. All right. So what we do need to add, the chicks are going to be coming in a couple days here, so we didn't add it yet, but we are going to have to add down some paper towels down in there for the first day or 2 of the chicks when they get here. You don't want to have the wood shavings down because the baby chicks might eat those wood shavings.
Oh, what? How?
Yeah. So let's look here what we have. So we have a couple boards that we have, and those boards, really what we did is, once again, it's just scrap wood. We took just any wood, screwed some 2x4s to it, and kind of made a platform so it sticks up out of the wood shavings for a little bit. So you can see there's 3 along the right hand side there, and then there's 3 along the left hand side. One side's going to be food, one side's going to be water. All right, so you saw in there we just had the wood shavings down. We didn't have that paper towel down yet. The first few days you do need to have paper towels down, at least for the first day, and you put your food just kind of scattered all over the place in there so the chicks find food to eat. If you don't put the paper towel down, the baby chicks might start eating the wood shavings, and if they're eating the wood shavings, then that means that they're not getting the food that they need, and it also means that they might get sick because it's not good for us or for chicks to eat wood. So for the first day or two, we'll get the paper towel put down and make sure we keep those chicks safe. All right, so let's head on out of here. While we were doing this, I noticed we walked in and we accidentally left the gate open. So let's go look what happened. We have a bunch of chicks out on the loose, a bunch of chickens out on the loose. So let's go check it out. Our gate's closed, so I think we're gonna be safe here. Okay, can you get them back in there for us, buddy?
Yeah.
Try and get them all back in the coop for us. I know, we'll have to worry about them in a minute.
Why?
It looks like they're kind of shoved back in there. Let's take this off, and I think I'll make it a little brighter for you guys to see back in there. We'll have to go save those chicks. We'll have to try and save those chickens. Good work getting the rest in.
Let's try and save them. Back.
Now I think if we leave them alone, buddy, they'll kind of find their way out. So let's just let them be for a minute. Look, here comes one. Scooching its way backwards. Chickens aren't good at going backwards. Oh. It got itself turned around. It didn't go backwards. It got itself turned around. Okay, let's let that other one be in there, but I don't want to scare it too much and make... All right, last thing we're going to do here is we're going to go check out kind of our current chicken setup. These are kind of a temporary dog kennels that we're using for our chickens since we just moved and we just got set up here. But we're going to show you what we have for now. Here's our food and water. Once again, it's just a temporary deal. Here's the roost. It's just some 2x4s that go through there. All right, and here's our nesting boxes. These are the same ones we had at our last place. Yeah, all these eggs in here right now are fake eggs. We use those to make sure chickens don't peck too much. Try to check under them? Yeah, let's see. We'll try and check under here. One fake egg. Check under this chicken. Fake egg. Check under this chicken. No eggs. No eggs.
Even fake eggs under them?
No, just there's fake eggs in the top.
Why?
That's what there is.
Why do they like to peck at the top?
Sometimes they break eggs and then they like to eat them. But if you put fake eggs in there, it helps them not to peck at them. They peck at them and then think, well, that's not good. That's hard. That hurts me. All right, that's our chicken setup. So let's see. Let's do one last check in here and see if these guys got out or if they're still in there. Thank you for joining us today on The Jackson Show. Please make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you liked what you saw. Also, we're going to have a lot more baby chick videos coming out soon. So make sure you keep an eye on our channel or you stay subscribed so you don't miss those future chicks. We should, today's Sunday, we should be getting our baby chicks probably Tuesday. So we're pretty much ready with our setup in there. Tuesday we should be getting the baby chicks, and we'll keep you guys updated, posting some videos with those new baby chicks in there and show you what to do with the new baby chicks and show you how they grow.
And there's some chickens back there.
Yeah, there's some chickens back here. We're gonna try and save these chickens that got stuck kind of behind our coop. So we're gonna try and work on that right now. Thanks again for joining us, and we'll see you next time.
Oh, I see another head back there. See another head back there?
Yeah. All right, there's 2 back there.
Alright. Here I go to scare this wasp away.
Here.
Please come out, chicken.
Scoop them back. What do you think?
Yeah.
Maybe a little bit. They're coming. Okay, open the door so we can get them back in there now. Get him, get him, get him! Oh shoot! So close! Woohoo! High five, buddy! High five, Jackson! Nice!
I got him.
Come here, George. High five. You helped? High five her?
Yeah, there's no more back now.
We did it!
See, that wasn't long, George.
Yeah, it wasn't too long. All right, friends, we did it! Thank you for helping us today.